Hi everyone, good morning again. So today I have started my day early just to reach Nandi Hills as soon as possible. I don't want to miss the scenic view. So yeah, let's hit the roads. I'll keep you updated once I'm on the bike. I'll fix my luggage onto my bike and then let's start the ride. So as it is just 1 day or 2 days trip, so I don't have so much of luggage. So no, let's hit the roads. Finally my vehicle has got that heat to start. I tried for 5 to 10 minutes to switch it on. Now it's hot, so that now it's running in the running condition. Let's see the incline. But coming to the place, it's really peaceful here, you know. I got 1 day full rest. This is the first time I've ridden vehicle so long, so I needed some kind of rest before hitting the roads again. So I took one day rest, and now let's go and see some places and just once again get back to our place. My main intention was to come and visit Nandi Hills. That was my first thought in my mind when I thought of Bangalore. Nothing else. I don't know whether it is overrated or not, but whenever I've seen that place in different vlogs or any other videos, I love that place. So let's go and find out how it is, right? Here in Bangalore, there is a rule. People follow strict traffic rules. The police are really strict here. That's very nice to hear. Hope you are able to see this white line which I have stopped. So if you cross that line, you will be fine. So that's a nice rule. People really follow it. That means that the police are strict here, and rules are very strict. So I was staying in Kangeri, which is in the outskirts of Bangalore. So now once again I'll be entering the Bangalore, and from there I'll be hitting Nandi Hills. Super excited, yeah, really super excited. Let's see whether Nandi Hills could surprise me or not. This guy was spitting, but it was by mistake, so he kind of showed some gesture. Fine, yeah, but shouldn't be doing that. Okay, right now time is 7:20, so it is 1.5 hours from here, and it is 1.5 hours from here. So by 9 I think I'll be reaching there, and I'll have my breakfast there itself. So chalo. Another interesting thing in Bangalore is you can see how many flyovers are running from single place. I think one is this is a highway, this is a highway, this is a metro. There's a place you can see the literally, like, 7 or 8 lanes getting divided from one single road. See how beautiful it is. This is Bengaluru Golf Court. Such a nice place to live in here. I think I should say goodbye to Bangalore because I'm heading outside the Bangalore, and I'm going to enter the NH44 right now. Okay, in the city I didn't see any fog in the city, but after crossing the city I'm able to see a lot of fog on the road. No, it's really cool and chilly here. This is one toll gate after Bangalore. Hope you are able to see how foggy it is here. God. Hyderabad, 5:33 km from here. Long way up, man. Long way up. So today's plan is after completing this Nandi Hills, I'll be back on highway towards Hyderabad. So once I'll be trying my best to cover my miles, but in case if I'm not able to complete it, I'll if I feel I'm tired, then what I will do is I'll take a break in Kurnool. Maybe I'll stay there for night. If there are any places, I'll visit those places. Then once again I'll head back to Hyderabad, to my home. Everyone has I think witnessed sunrise and they're just coming back. I actually wanted to I also wanted to witness sunrise, but I had a problem with my vehicle, so I just solved. It took me time to get on the roads of Bangalore and come here. So fine, but whatever it is, we are going to Nandi Hills. We'll have, I know, good eye view or good scenes there. That's why I came here, and that's nice when people are coming out. You end up enjoying more, right? There will be less people, so we can have good time there. And I think Ghat roads will be starting in another 2 or 3 kilometers. I'm expecting huge incline in getting onto the hill because distance is 8.7 kilometers and height of the Nandi Hills is very big. I think there will be a lot of incline. Let's see what is there. We'll be starting our Ghat road maybe in another 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer. Beauty. I think we are up for the Ghat roads. Such a wonderful and pleasant scene here. Oh God, we should be careful. Tractor, uncle. Whether is it safe? are on to the Ghat roads, and I think outermost part is where we have to ride to the end of the roads, and we should pay a lot of attention towards the road also and to the view. It's very tough to pay attention like that, right? Having a scenic beauty like this and and Ghat roads, this is what it's tough. And roads are narrow, so that's another thing that we have to keep it in mind. Overtaking is really bad here. I mean, overtaking is really dangerous here. Oh, that's the reason I told you, right? I love mountains. Now I am getting a really happy vibe. You know, it was kind of boring for me to be on the highway, but this is making me happy, yaar. Oh, monkey. आराम से जाएंगे. Let experience every damn curve, every scene. आराम से जाएंगे. ha. What a beauty, yaar, what a beauty. Worth it, man, really worth it. Now I'm really happy that I have taken this step to come here, but I expected there would be a lot of incline, but it's fine, things are good. It's very narrow here again. And there are many blind spots too. That's another thing which is dangerous in Ghat roads. Simple thing is, be slow, pay attention towards the road, and indicate other people what you're going, what's next turn is, or maybe honk would help them to get their attention. Oh god, it's getting chilly here, yaar. इधर कुछ कॉफ़ी मिला तो I'll take one coffee packet to home. I just want to see I mean field. Oh, okay, here I think there are no coffee plantations on this hill. ज़्यादा जगह भी नहीं है ना. I mean, it's like only 2 or 3 set of hills, and that is rocky, I think, so that is when you won't get coffee here. One interesting thing about coffee is, the higher the altitude, the better the coffee taste would be, quality would be. I just wanted to have this kind of ride, man, and I'll see and I'll find out if I get any other places, such kind of places where you have hills and Ghat roads. अभी हमारे पास तो श्रीशैलम एक है, I can go there. That's another beautiful place. On the roads, bro, this is not appreciated. Fine. रोड देखूँ या ब्यूटी देखूँ? It's better I take a short break on this hill once I reach, and then I'll enjoy the scenic views. Even before entering Nandi, top of the Nandi hills, I'll stop somewhere where I get some space. This is dangerous, man. This is seriously dangerous. क्यों करते हैं सब चीज़ें? it's risky. Wow. Oh, this is breathtaking, man. Oh god, oh god. Such an incline. I expected this. What a beauty, yaar. I have to stop somewhere. I have to. Okay. Thanks, my bike. You're taking me to such wonderful places. Woohoo! Such a height. Okay, is anyone coming ahead? What a beauty, yaar. I need to stop somewhere. I think this would be the place. No, this is dangerous. Here I can't. So that is the entrance. Two-wheelers not allowed. Okay, bikes should be parked here. So many people up here, man. After parking the vehicle there, I think we have to walk for 1 km. Cars are allowed to travel to the top of the hill, but bikes are not. So we are supposed to walk another one and a half kilometer. As I didn't want to, I'm carrying the whole luggage on my back. I'm getting tired, yaar. Baapre. Okay, we almost reached. I have almost reached. So done with Nandi Hills. I think I'll be getting back to my once again bike ride because there's a long way to go. Maybe 550 kilometers from here. It might take some 10 hours, so it's better I get fast on my bikes. We're above the clouds, and I think you will have a view of 50 to 60 kilometers radius from here approximately. A bit of trekking, bike riding, and that too in a Ghat roads. It's a good experience for me completely. I didn't have my breakfast yet. I should find some good place to have breakfast. But the moment I went to the topmost part of this hill, I was literally shocked. I was not able to believe my eyes, frankly speaking. And just think about how I felt. I mean, just think if I would have seen sunrise in this at this height, it would have been wonderful. I just missed that. Fine, no regrets. I just enjoyed whatever I've seen. It's time to leave. Okay, overall feeling or experience here is wonderful. I think this should be visited whenever you come to Bangalore. Try to visit this place. It's kind of very close to Bangalore. Even before entering Bangalore, you will encounter this diversion towards Nandi Hills. Just after crossing Kempagoda airport, you'll have a diversion for this thing, maybe 10 or 15 km away. So come visit this place. You'll have really good experience. This is for sure. We are having a plan to visit this place. Now I have to be careful again. It feels good to see these kind of people who come out of the comfort zone, do this kind of adventurous things. Nice. Maybe someday I'll try some of those. Just done with my breakfast. I think अभी रुकने का कुछ reason ही नहीं है. I'll be heading towards Hyderabad. Hope you are able to see this. They are paragliding here. I didn't know there is an option of paragliding, or else I would have tried it. Maybe. Oh, nice. So maybe next time Nandi Hills, I will definitely visit this place again with my brother, because he has missed this place.